How to create Reddit community. Welcome back to the channel and let's start with the video. For this you have to go ahead and open up your Reddit application. If it's not installed, install via your Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS device. Log in into your account. Now from here, to create your own community, tap on the three horizontal line. Then select create a community. Now in the community name, go ahead and enter your community name that you want. For an example, I have added this random. Select your audience. I'll select private. Select if it's 18 plus community or not, then select create community. If you have selected 18 plus, you have to update your setting. Tap on update setting. Now from here, you will have to toggle on show NSFW content and I am over 18. Now once you do this, you are all set to create your very first post on your community. So you can write anything that you want to and make sure that it is community guidelines safe as well, otherwise your community or even your Reddit account will be banned. Check out rules to make sure that you are not neglecting any of the community guidelines of Reddit. Once done, hit on the continue button. And just like that, you have created your very first post on your community. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.